Hey, if you wonder how you can install the SIM card into your POCO M6 Pro, that's quite simple. First, you have to prepare this SIM tool so we can find it in your box. And also, you will have to prepare your SIM card. You will have to get SIM card in the nano size, like this one. Now, you will have to take a look for the left side of your device where is located the SIM tray. So we have to input it right here and then press on it until it actually jumps out of the device frame. Now you can gently remove it, and as you can see right here, we can actually input these two SIM cards right here and right here. Or maybe I'm wrong. Let's take a look. Now we can actually input two SIM cards on this slot and also on this second slot, just right here. Oh, never mind, I was putting it incorrectly. We have to put it like this, with the pins, with this gold side at the bottom. And now this, we have to put the face to the screen. So like this, input it, and as you can see, that's all. That's all for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.